is Alistair Hayden, a professor of public and ecosystem health at Cornell University. Really appreciate you taking some time for us here this evening. And I mentioned we just went through this a few weeks ago. I wonder if there's anything different this time that you think the public should know. And people are wondering if this is some type of new normal to be dealing with this on a semi-regular basis.
Yes, hello. Thank you so much, Michael, for the opportunity to chat about this really important topic. We are seeing this summer that these smoke waves are happening that's twice now in 1 month, and that's the first time that we've had that in living memory. So one thing that's a little different than this time is that we're not reaching those purple levels like we did the last time. So we are in the red air quality index, which is unhealthy for all individuals. And so the recommendation still really is to stay indoors, use your air cleaners, and just protect yourself and your loved ones during this really unhealthy smoke event.
Yeah, when you talk about a public health situation like one we're dealing with right now, I mean, what is it that, lawmakers, leaders, what do you do for something like this beyond what you're doing, which is advise people to just stay indoors?
Yeah, so the key point really is to protect people during this unhealthy weather, which is how I refer to this smoke wave. And so we can protect ourselves and our neighbors by doing that, staying indoors, but we should also look to our policymakers to help make sure that everyone in our community is protected. And so that means making sure that information gets out about when the smoke waves are happening, how to protect yourself during the smoke wave. But we also need to acknowledge that not everyone has access to indoor clean air spaces. So, our friends and colleagues work in outdoor jobs, agricultural workers, transit workers, the person delivering your pizza. These are all people who don't have the choice to go indoors during their job. Some of our neighbors also are unhoused and don't have an option of an indoor clean air space to sleep in. And so we can talk about a lot of policy that not just gets information out there, but also protects our friends and neighbors who need the most protection during these dangerous smoke wave events.
Alistair Hayden, a professor of public and ecosystem health at Cornell University. Really appreciate you taking some time for us. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Appreciate you.
Absolutely.